Hi everyone, welcome back to our cycling industry series. This is Ethan from TAIPEI CYCLE team. Today we are in Changhua to decompose the bicycles that we are riding every day. Weihao, established in 1978, is specialized in making bicycles and motorcycles parts and accessories. Originally in OEM, now it focuses on OBM business, creating its own brand, Pizzazz, Controltech, and PC Sport. It supplies components with great innovations and keep delivering new products, especially in road and TSTT line. Today, we are pleased to have Scott, the CEO of Controltech here, to share us more about Controltech. Let's go!
Hi Ethan, hi everyone, I'm Scott and nice to meet you all. Controltech focuses on integration over the past few years, in which road bike, e-bike, and mountain bike are all looking for integration by clean cockpit and integration. The first combination that I would like to introduce is our mountain bike cockpit, where we use the hydroforming technology to allow the riders to be more aerodynamic and comfortable during the ride. The hole in the center of the handlebar and stem allow the cables to snake through into the bike frame in very natural routing, which is very crucial for mechanical drivetrain. This combination, this cockpit is not only available in aluminum but also carbon fiber material. The second combo I want to introduce is our road cockpit. One disadvantage of full internal cable routing is the time-consuming bike assembly and after-sales service. So our solutions for integration and clean cockpit is to hide all the cables from rider's perspective by routing all the cables under the stem instead of inside the stem. The other feature of this cockpit is the two-piece design that allow the riders to have plus and minus 5-degree handlebar adjustment, so they can enjoy the best riding experience in different scenarios. One of our principles is integration or die, and we will stick to this principle to show our innovation to the world. Controltech is well known in racing and performance category over the last decade. And we all know e-bike is the trend, not only e-road, but also e-mountain and e-city and trekking. We are dedicating and investing our resource and engineering to develop some cool and great e-bike products. We will not make it only with electricity, but it needs to be smart. We will put GPS, gyroscope on those components, make the integration happen like our principle that I mentioned before, integration or die.
Thank you, Scott. That's all for us today. For more new product stories, subscribe our channel for more videos. Visit us on March 3rd to 6th, 2021. See you next time.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.